Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. In this video, we will learn about trim extend to corner and trim extend single element and trim extend multiple element tools. For instance, I already drawn walls first to save the time. So let's try this one first, trim extend to corner. You can use it as a trim, you can use it as a fillet tool. For example, select this one now. Select this wall and this wall, so it will use as a fillet and extend tool. But if I try on these two walls, so it will trim a part of this element. Let's see. So select this wall, and if I click on this wall, you can see the inference line. So these two walls will remain and this part will be deleted. But if I click on this wall, this part of the wall, so you can see in the inference line the deleted part, that this part will be deleted. So this is how it trims a part of your element. I apply it again, click on this wall and on this wall. So that's how it works. Now you can use a different tool, trim extend single element. So it will extend or trim, but here you can use it as an extend tool. I will select this one. And now select your target first. So this is my target. I want to extend this wall to this wall. So this is my target. So I am selecting my target first and then select this one. So different tools and different methods of using these tools. Very cool feature it has. Now you can use this as a trim. So how it will work now, I will stretch this wall. If I want to remove this part, this part, this part, or this part, so how it will work, select again trim extend single element. Now select your target and click what you want to be in your drawing. Don't select the wall you want to delete. Remember it, don't select the wall or the part of the wall you want to delete. So I selected this wall and this wall, and this part is deleted. Now again try on this one, these two walls, select here, and I want to remove this one, so I will select this part of the wall. Ctrl Z. You can try different methods. This is how it works. You also can use it for multiple purpose. So I want to take copies, multiple copies. Now I will select copy of this wall, copy multiple. Now trim extend multiple elements. So select this wall and click here and click here. Now you can try different trim extend multiple elements. Click here and now select this wall and this wall. This is how it works. A very cool feature it has. And the last thing I am applying on it, you can use as alignment also. So select this one, trim extend single element, and select this as a reference, and now click on this wall. So it will be aligned. Ctrl Z. Again apply on it. I want to use as an alignment, so select this corner, this side of the wall, and select this one. This is how it works. Again select this, and you can see an inference line. If I hover over my mouse, Ctrl Z, again select this one, and now you can see. So you can also use as an alignment tool. Very cool feature Revit has. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.